Hello beautiful people, I'm back. How are you today? And kamusta naman kayo dyan? Look at Kaylee, she's so pretty. So today's vlog, dumating na yung pinaka-antay ko, na which is very important. Right, Kimmy? Right, Paolo? Yun. So, dumating na nga ang aking Google Ads pin. So, para ma-claim na natin ang ating dapat ma-claim sa ating YouTube. So, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating magsa-set up ng ating YouTube. Finally. She's so pretty. Pansit. This is it, pansit. I'm so lucky for today's vlog. Finally, nagtama na rin ang aking tax. Finally, nagtama rin ang aking address. So, ayan na siya. Vlogger na, cameraman pa. So lucky with my partner. She's just blind. Right, guys? Ang kita nyo. Ta-da! Ta-da! YouTube. Let's go to YT. YT Studio. At ito na nga, beautiful people, sa puntong to, napaka-excited ko. Dumating na rin AdSense pin, alam sa raffle, pag dumating to sa mailbox natin. So, habang nilalagay ko tong pin na to, gusto ko lang sabihin, ang journey sa YouTube ay hindi madali, pero worth it. Ang importante, consistent ka, enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo, at syempre, follow the process. Yun nga, at the same time, yung pagkakasabi kong enjoy mo lang, huwag kang ma-pressure sa mga ginagawa mo. Kasi, for me, ginagawa ko lang tong libangan eh. So, I'm just making it for side hustle. Kumbaga, grabe, when I first started this channel, I never imagined that I actually get this po. Pero look, we're here. Kaya nga sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, don't give up. Sipag at syaga lang talaga. Ayan, just typing my pin now. Finger crossed, everything goes smoothly. Eto na nga. At yes, finally. Eto na nga, happy na ako. And then, if you're waiting for yours, be patient lang. Google will send it. Promise, just make sure na tama lang yung address nyo sa account. And verifications of your IDs is more important. So, for me, it takes like 3 weeks bago ko na-receive tong PIN sa address namin. So, isasend nila to through mail. And then, ayan na nga, moment of truth. At least, verified na tayo. Hello there again, beautiful people. Just want to say thank you to all of you. Thank you for being here on my channel, whether you've been with me since day one or just joined. Your support was really means so much to me. Remember that you are capable, you are valued, and you are never alone on this journey. Let's keep growing, learning, and spreading good vibes together. Drop a comment and let me know how you're doing. I'd love to hear from you. Stay positive, stay creative, and stay you. Spread love. Bye. Have a good one, beautiful people.